Well, we are cutting across to Chandigarh to get you pictures of this protest that is happening against the Manohar Lal Khattar government. Ex-Haryana CM Huda leads the charge. The protest is against unemployment and paper leak. These are the two issues that the former Chief Minister of Haryana, Bhupender Singh Huda, is taking up right now. This protest has broken out in Chandigarh. At the moment, protesters are questioning the Khattar government on issues of unemployment and question paper leak. Gurpreet joining us with more inputs. Yes, Gurpreet, over to you to tell us what's happening on ground at the moment. What are the issues raised by the protesters?
Well, yes, of course, that we have seen that the former Chief Minister Bhupender Singh Hooda, he's leading the protest, and finally they have reached at the Haryana Vidhan Sabha. So these are the live pictures which we are showing to our viewers, that the basic demand of Mr. Hooda was very clear. He says that this government had failed to provide the employment to the youth. At the same time, the paper leak issue has become one of the major issue. Bhupender Singh Hooda says that there is a continuously leakage of paper for the last so many months, and what we have learned from the sources also, around 28 papers have already been leaked. Now, what he is demanding from the Khattar government, he says that this is the time to take action against the staff selection board, who is responsible for the recruitment and why the paper is being leaked. But a few minutes ago, we have seen that the police had put a barricade before he was allowed to go inside the Vidhan Sabha, because they wanted to just knock the door of the Khattar government so that message should be clear. And today is the first day of monsoon session. That's one of the main reasons why this protest is being held here in front of Vidhan Sabha. And finally, they have already gone inside Vidhan Sabha to give the memorandum to the Khattar government. And the issue is very clear. They say that somewhere down the lane, the government has failed to provide employment, and there is a lot of unemployment in the state, and the people are cribbing for getting the employment. At the same time, the way these papers have been leaked, that there is the need to put a plug on all these things. So even we can see that the supporters, they are holding placard in their hands. They says that Shatra ke Gunagar BJP JJP Sarkar. So such type of the placard is being held in the hands of the supporters, and most of the MLAs who are a member of this Vidhan Sabha, they are appearing in the Vidhan Sabha today because of the monsoon session. They were already with the former Chief Minister Bhupender Singh Hooda, and we have seen that the tussle has already been taken place between the police official as well as the MLAs, including the former Chief Minister Bhupender Singh Hooda, because they were not allowed to go inside the Vidhan Sabha. So once again, I'll request my Vijay to show that we are reporting in front of Vidhan Sabha, where all the MLAs, including the former Chief Minister, he has gone inside, and they wanted to knock the door of the Khattar government. They wanted to give a very, very strong message among the masses that why this Khattar government has failed from all the front to provide employment, and why this paper leak is not being stopped by the Khattar government. And so many times we have seen that the paper had been leaked, and after that the paper had been cancelled, and for that youngsters are suffering, the families are suffering, those who are preparing for the exam, they are suffering, but no action has been taken by the Khattar government. So that was the core issue why this protest is being held. But now, as we know that they are being allowed to go inside to the Vidhan Sabha, and the monsoon session is going to be started from 2 p.m. onwards, and these questions all the MLAs, they have already put before the speaker, and they are going to hold a discussion. And what we have learned from the government side, they are also tabling today one of the bills that how to put a stoppage on this paper leak, and they are going to set up a bill for this. And if if the paper is going to be leaked, that what exemplary punishment will be given to the people who are responsible for the leakage of paper. This is the government side what we are picking from inside the Vidhan Sabha, that they are going to table this bill today. But before that, Congress leaders, they wanted to hog the limelight. We have seen that they have started their march by foot. They have reached at the Vidhan Sabha. They have started from the High Court roundabout, and they had finally reached at the Vidhan Sabha. Now they wanted to give the memorandum to the government so that this issue should be discussed in the monsoon session at the length. Now it is yet to be seen that how the government is going to react. But one thing is very clear, because the Home Minister has already,
Absolutely. So
Anil
2
Vij has
p.m. is
already
when
recommended
the
for the
session
CBI inquiry
resumes,
into the paper
Gurpreet.
leak.
And like you are saying, the opposition is hell-bent on raising the issues of paper leak and, of course, unemployment. The MLAs marched from the High Court to the Assembly building. They have entered now, and the session will resume. The monsoon session of the Assembly will resume at 2 p.m. Thanks for joining us, Gurpreet.